So, on today's episode, we start unprepping the CRV and getting it ready to have a lift kit installed. And we unpackage some stuff from Amazon. So come along, let's go check things out. Come on, let's go to the house.
Man on a mission. Man with a plan. Man on a mission.
Okay, dude, let's do it.
We're at the VanLife, man.
Okay, well, I'm super stoked. I've been looking for a special stove to fit in the CRV. Don't have a lot of room. You gotta check this out. This is the portable cassette stove from John Deere. Let me get it unpackaged. I was looking for something that I could fit into a certain area in the back door of the CRV, which contains the jack and the wrenches to take your spare tires off. We're gonna put this there. So what you do is you pop the end open. Come on, like this. This folds up like this. This will fold out just like this, and these become your stove. I've been looking at a few different versions of these, but I have to make sure the measurements were right. And this one was like so close. Let's go see where it's going. Dude! Dude! Hi, little boy. There we go. So the Don D fits in right here. With room for propane. Hey? Planning ahead really benefits when you start thinking about where you're going to store things, what you're going to do with things, how you're going to function on the road, and you definitely need a stove. The best part? Check this out. That's right. Disappeared. I need to put a table in there though. So today's agenda, look at this gorgeous day we have, is to come into the schoolie, create some room, because we have to tear the CRV apart because it's going in for mechanical adjustments. We're adding a lift kit. There is one good thing about tearing things apart. I get to readdress issues I've found along the way. Let's go have a look. I tried taping everything on there, but what I need to do is to wrap it around and do the same thing as on the other side and attach it appropriately. That way we got this beautifully enclosed clothes holder. Let's get this bed out of here. One of the plans with this build was make sure that you can tear it down very simply and put it back, kind of like a puzzle. Let me show you. The cabinet is out, the fridge is out, as well as the power station, and we're left with a frame. Once I rip out the frame, then this whole platform will slide out of here and expose the back seat and the luggage area. And it'll be back to normal. Let's get it done. So basically everything has been removed from here. We're gonna get rid of the school bus, fridge, and the power station, and we'll go store that into and we'll get ready to pull out this platform. What a beautiful day. I don't know if you guys recall, but I picked this up for free. This is the back board for the back of the CRV. I raised it with 2x4 so I could access this table, because under the table is tons of storage for tools and etc. We're going to clean this all up because I think this is the last time we're going to be in here for a while. What do you think, Wayne?
Let's lock you in there. No, we'll vacuum you up.
Yeah, definitely needs a cleanup.
Yeah.
All right, let's get at it. Yeah, Wayne's working away over there. And we took a brief R&R, catch our breaths, and we came back and we finished up the job. Check it out. It's back to normal. Oh, I love my Blue Eddy. Charger one, if anybody's interested, they're really good. But yeah, I need to access these for my lift kit. We're gonna call it a day here today. We have the schoolie here, all loaded up. Wayne got a new diesel heater, all loaded up. It's all nice and clean, but there's your CRV stuff in the bed. Yeah, and there's the cupboard. So everything's stored away nice and neat. I was going to try to get away this weekend, but I have 2 appointments on Monday, plus I have to have my CRV in for the lift kit conversion. So I decided to get everything done now, and that way we're ready and we can knock off all of my appointments, and then we can take off early in the week with less people. Tune in tomorrow when we come back down here, and I don't know what we're going to do.
Well, this is different.
We find ourselves helping out somebody. They have a Trillium trailer, which is like a bowler, and we're going to replace the marker lights on it so they can put it up for sale. Exciting, eh? I ordered these from Amazon, and I have my bracket kit. I got to get my tools. Well, my plan didn't work. The lights that were on the trailer were actually riveted on. I didn't bring a drill or drill bits or anything. But all I need is 2 of these. So hopefully we can find them here at Canadian Tire that is under construction. Oh my goodness. Lordco is a automotive parts place, so we came down. Well, no, I stopped at Canadian Tire. I stopped at Napa. I stopped at Greg's. Finally, we got downtown here, and nobody has the lens. By the looks of it, we're going to have to replace them. We're going to have to go get a drill bits, and find some screws. Mind you, it is a beautiful day here on the island. Yeah, it's a gorgeous day here, so I didn't mind driving around looking for stuff. And in all honesty, I wanted the day off anyways, so let's just take the day off. Who's gonna fire me? Look at that. Well, welcome back. Well, you guys didn't go anywhere. I did. I took the day off the other day, and we had an amazing, relaxing, super uber sunny day without having to do really anything. But we're back at it today. We're about to head over to the shop. Wayne got a awning yesterday. We're about to go and hook that up if I get there quick enough. And then we have to go finish that trailer mod that we're doing. We best get going. Yes, sirree, another gorgeous day here on Vancouver Island. Look at that. We're heading to the shop. Wayne! Well, we're back at the shop here, and I'm taking advantage of getting the bus totally ready for spur-of-the-moment runaways. We're going to get the CRV ready because it goes in tomorrow for its lift kit. We've been out doing a bunch of work, as you saw in the pictures. Not much on the little trailer job I did. It worked out fine, and we got Wayne's awning up. I need to get this thing cleaned up and ready for the shop. So we got the wash kit all ready to go. Okay. She looks good. Yeah. We're going to have to go grab a quick polish of some sort from Canadian Tire for this. It shines up a little bit better. Well, hopefully today is the day. We're up bright and early. It is a wet but sunny morning here on Vancouver Island. And we're heading back to Bavarian because they're putting in a lift kit into the CRV. Well, we made it down here in the shop and the weather just got amazing. We're going in to put these in. This is the lift kit. They go on the top of the McPherson strut towers to give it the lift, which will hopefully bring everything up and level it out perfectly. Here's Wayne. This was installed yesterday?
Saturday.
Okay, a couple days ago. It's his new Thule awning. It is soaking wet up top, so he's pulling it apart to let it dry off a little bit. And then he's going to start selling ice cream or tacos or something. It kind of looks like a food truck there, Wayne.
Yeah.
And then there's this little guy. He's just being a darling, aren't you, dude? Now the wait begins. They told me an hour and a half. Hopefully we'll be in there within the next half hour. I'm excited. There's the beast. And it's gonna come out beastier. Is that such a word? Beastier? Anyways, Wayne's taking off on me. Got a hot date with his cats. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, what I thought was going to be a quick and easy flip-flop rollover, we figured it'd be an hour and a half, 2 hours. We now have to replace the other front axle in it. I've already replaced one. And we also have to replace the 2 front shocks. Both of the coils are broken. Shouldn't take too much longer, but better safe than sorry. I'm going. Look at the big boy. Dude, you stay in the yard. Come on, this way. Good boy. We're still waiting. Well, we expected to be out of here by noon. An hour and a half, 2 hour job max. It's now almost 4 o'clock. We had a bunch of unexpected things we had to do, but we're getting the last part buttoned up. What do you think?
I think it's going to be awesome.
You're so full of it. It's getting there. Probably another 20 minutes, like I said, but didn't want to bug them, so we'll leave it to the professionals. So, well, it didn't quite turn out as planned. Turns out the axle was not, let's say, in good shape that we replaced the new one. There was a malfunction in it, so it needed to be pulled out, and we had to refix the old one, which means my poor baby is going to be spending the night at Bavarian. If you're liking what you see, please come over and join the Dude and I on YouTube and check out more of my videos where you can subscribe, like, and comment.
Brent the VanLife man.